Joshua for Jericho, Joshua for Jericho, Joshua for Jericho, Joshua for Jericho. Joshua for the battle of Jericho, Jericho, Jericho. Joshua for the battle of Jericho, and the walls come tumbling down. Or you might talk about the man of Gideon, or you might talk about the man of Saul, but there's not like good old Joshua and the battle of Jericho. Oh, listen to the Joshua for the battle of Jericho. Jericho, Jericho, Jericho. Joshua for the battle of Jericho.